What up, world? Big like TV, auto glass more. Donk killer. Y'all nigga better get ready this weekend. Y'all know he finna get on y'all ass. But alright, y'all, we out with the old. Finna get it together and put the new thing back in there. Stay tuned. Donk killer windshield installation. Easy money. Easy color work. The Donk killer. New glass make it go fast, baby. Auto glass more. Easy money, easy color work. Donk killer. Y'all see him?
Hey,
they're the glad killer. We're gonna change name to the glad killer. Alright, y'all. Donk killer ready to go. New glass make it go fast. Auto glass more. Donk killer. My boy gonna see right past y'all lad this weekend.